You might be thinking, what's the difference between the toast, bagel, and crumpet functions? Good question. The main difference is the Element IQ system adjusts the cook time and intensity differently for all three foods to ensure you achieve that classic golden glow. Toast delivers even heat energy, top and bottom, for the duration of the cook. Bagel begins with even heat energy, then shifts more energy to the top of the oven for more of the cook time to beautifully brown the cut side of the bagel or melt the toppings. While crumpet also begins with even heat energy, but shifts later in the cook for a more gentle crispening of the top, which also helps prevent the base from overcooking. To begin making your bagel, set your oven to rack position 4, or alternatively, set your oven rack to position 3 for crumpets. The Smart Oven Air Fryer XL has room for up to 10 slices, and you have complete control over the toasting darkness of your bagels or crumpets with the temperature dial. If you're using frozen bagels or crumpets, use the frozen button. When it is activated, it reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to ensure the food is heated thoroughly without burning the outside or constant monitoring. When you're ready, hit the Start/Stop button to commence. The LCD will turn orange and your countdown timer will automatically begin. You'll also love the magnetic auto eject feature that kicks in when the wire rack is inserted into rack position 3 or 4. Basically, the oven will automatically eject the rack halfway out as you're opening the door, so you can easily remove your bagels or crumpets. Be sure to open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. What better way to start your day than with a homemade cafe-style breakfast?